you guys never believe. I've tried to take this video twice, and I didn't press play. But anyway, guys, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic, the first only authentic Jamaican restaurant here in this country. So I've been here since 2011. I was the first spot here. It is the #1 restaurant here, in spite of what you hear. So anyway, I cut it short. This beautiful young lady, she just told me that this is her daughter. So look at that. So all right, we're gonna start with, her name is Luna. Luna means moon in Spanish, but it's a Latin word because the Pope had a group of men, they call them friars, that used to study astrology, and they gave all these names. So the word Luna is actually an energy, a light that creates spiritual energy and brings light. So that's why you find it says Luna, but it's not really moon, it's really light. So her name is Luna.
Yeah, it is light.
You can see that in the smile, right?
Of course.
So anyway, so go ahead. You were telling me earlier why you decided to stop when you was passing by, because I asked them why did they stop here. So you can tell them. You can say it again.
I can tell them. Okay.
For the last time.
So for the last time.
It's recording now.
We're walking here this dark street, very dry, very tense.
No energy.
No energy. Just the wrong. Ugh.
Oh my God! I can understand.
I'm thinking this is not the Dominican Republic I remember.
Right.
We're walking here, and my mom, she wanted something to drink. So she said, okay, what about that Reggae Cafe right here? And me, Jamaican by heart. I said, of course. My people, of course, I'm going. So went in here, suddenly, burst of light.
There you go. And your mom said you are happy now. So let her tell us why she said that her daughter was happy. That's a big statement. You said,
because of what she said before, she's Jamaican by heart, apparently.
She wants to, I could cry for that.
But she's just, she feels like she's home. Just when you find true culture, true vibe, true life, it just charges
you feel the goosebumps.
Yes, obviously.
She said she finds true culture. Guys, my place has a different energy from every place else here, okay? You won't find a lot of the girls hanging out in my spot, a lot of the prostitutes, you won't find that. But if you come with one and she's respectful, I don't bother anybody, you can come as long as you're gonna eat and drink, I don't care. But you don't find him here because of the energy that I feel.
Very homey, very chill, very safe.
Go ahead and tell them.
It just seems very chill, very safe, and it's such a contrast to the street right here, where people just stand in the wind hungry.
Wow.
Spiritual hunger.
Wow.
And you come in here, like, that's alive.
Gosh, man, that's you guys, you don't know what she just said is what I experience a lot here. I get people that come and tell me they want to see because they want the energy here. And if you come to the Dominican Republic in this part of the country, you will find, when you walk on the street, she said she was, hey hombre, dime a ver, ¿todo bien? Yeah, okay. So if you walk on the street here, in the Dominican Republic, in Sosua, you're gonna see what she's talking about. But I don't know what she sees, but I know my spirit. And somebody told me, your energy is here, and I stopped here because of the energy. Someone told me that, but I don't see it. But if you said it,
the people feel it still.
Yeah. Now I believe it. As a matter of fact, about 3 days ago, I give you my number, and I'm going to send you that little chit chat I had with 2 customers. They came and they ate, right? And when they was finished eating, I was working on my table right there because I have to finish that table and finish like something else I'll do. So they said, hey Mosha, do you have time to give us some knowledge? No, some knowledge. Come on, give me some knowledge. I was shocked that this is the first time I've seen this guy. All right, what do you mean knowledge? He said anything. Like, I have a feeling you can talk about anything. So I'm not sure I can talk about anything. So I was speaking to them for like about an hour, and they couldn't get enough. So when I was ready to get up, they said, "That's it." I said, "Well, you should have recorded the first one." So I said, "Okay, I'll do another one for you." So I do another one more simple, and I get that a lot, but I don't see that about me. I really don't see that. I just see you like well. I just see you and I see you and that's it. But I know what's in me, and I know what I can do. I know what I'm capable of. But it's not about me. It's about you guys that come to support my place. They're from Denmark. This is the most beautiful pear that I've had in a while. Most beautiful. And look at the color. The skin is so smooth, and the texture is so nice. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it. See how beautiful? That's a mom. I didn't know that was her mom, guys. I thought that she was related in some way or friends. Now I can see the resemblance. You see the eyes? Wow. Anyway, guys, say bye to the people. Luna.
Bye, guys. God bless you. Bye.
And she's home. She's with me in Jamaica, in my place in Dominican Republic. Yes. So she's happy. So this is Mosha. Gonna sign out. Coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge. Listen, guys, if you cannot say something good about somebody, don't say it. And if you can't do good to somebody, don't do nothing. And I'll tell you why. Angels don't have wings. Birds have wings. You are either the angel or the devil to somebody. Anything good that's ever happened to us in life is done by a human being. There are times when you have other things, but most of the time, think about it. So try to do something nice for somebody. Let it spread. Stop all the negative vibes. Stop all of that nonsense. If anything is to be, if it is to be, it is up to me. Blessed love. Mosha. Peace out.